So few subscribers and our followers used to ask me, sir, which one should I take, either software testing or Power BI course? And which one has more job opportunities and better career growth, these two technologies? So I'm going to clear your doubt in this session. So watch till the end of video. So if you want more useful videos like this, then follow our Buy Lucky Sir YouTube channel and don't forget to like our videos if you really love our content. So without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. Which one should I learn, either software testing or Power BI? So choosing between software testing and Power BI, it's totally based on your interest and based on your career goal and dream job, guys. Now I will tell you briefly about software testing as well as Power BI. Then you have to decide which technology suits your mindset. Then you can finalize and choose the best course which you set your mindset. Okay, first let me talk about software testing. Software testing course focus on techniques, methodologies and tools used to ensure the quality and reliability of any software applications. In fact, as a software testing engineer, he focus on mainly to create test planning and test design and to do test execution and defect management and to fix the bugs and report the bugs and do some automation testing. If you are interested to do quality assurance on any product or application, then this job is perfectly suits you guys. Then what type of skills required to survive as a testing engineer? So you must have problem solving skills. If you are really passionate about problem solving skills and to find bugs or issues or errors in any product, and if you are passionate to find out some errors or bugs in any product or any application, then this job is 100% suits you guys. And one more thing is, so if you want to become an automation test engineer, then you must have programming skills as well. You should be able to write coding or scripting if you want to become an automation test engineer, or if you want to survive as an automation test engineer in software industry. So the coding skills are also essential for software testing professionals, okay, in these days. Now let's talk about Power BI. Power BI is a data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It allows the users to analyze and visualize the data, create the interactive reports and dashboards. It means it typically covers data modeling, data transformation and data visualization as a Power BI developer, and create a dashboard using Power BI desktop or Power BI services. Nowadays, Power BI is widely used in the software industry for data-driven decision making and creating reports and creating dashboards as well. Okay, conclusion statements on this topic. So if you really have passion on problem solving skills and have some technical or programming knowledge, then choose software testing course. So if you don't have any problem solving skill experience or logical thinking experience, and you have only some creating reports or dashboards and you have some basic knowledge on scripting, then you can, and you are very much interested to analyze the data and data analysis or data visualization purpose, then you can choose the Power BI course. Talk about job opportunities wise. Both have many job openings in software industry, but in these days software testing and Power BI, both jobs are slowed down in the hiring process, but anyhow in these days somehow calls are increasing on these both technologies like software testing and Power BI. What about career growth? So if you start your career as a software testing engineer, then you can become a DevOps engineer or some Scrum Master or whatever you like. You can switch easily in the future, or you can become a developer as well if you are good at in coding skills or problem solving skills. So in case if you start career as a Power BI developer, then you can become a data analyst or data engineer or big data engineer. So career growth wise, there is a high bright future is there for both jobs, but based on your career goals and dream job, you have to choose the either software testing or Power BI. So that's all guys for this session. So if you really love this content, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share to your friends who have really confused which one should I choose, either software testing or Power BI. Okay, so we'll meet with one more grateful content video. Thank you very much.